Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is polymorphism in Python and how we can use method overloading. What is method overloading or function overloading? The process of calling the same method with different parameter is known as method overloading. Python does not support method overloading. Let's see with an example how we can achieve method overloading in Python while it is not supported in Python. Okay, and how we can overcome the problem. We have to create a one function which will be adding two numbers. We want to get the result of this method, right? And then we have to print result. Let's run the program. Okay, the sum is 7. We have only two arguments x and y. Assume we want to add one more parameter here, so we have to create another form of this method, the same name method with one more value, let's say z. So this is called a method overloading, right? But Python does not support it. What will happen, let's say if we want to call the sum again, let's run the program. It will not run because as per the implementation, the last function which was interpreted, that was the method with three arguments. And why this message is coming missing one argument? Because whatever method will be interpreted last, that will be considered. Okay, it is expecting one more parameter. Run the program, so it will run fine. You see, so both the methods are running. Let's say if I want to remove the other one, it will not work. Okay, so you see it will not work. It is expecting one more argument because the correct function is this, not this one. This is wrong. We cannot overload a method here. It is not supported by Python. To overcome the problem, what we can do, let me comment this out because it will not work. Let's run the program again. So it will work, right? So here what we have to do, we have to define one function, let's say sum version. Okay, in this method, and we are going to get the result. What we have to do, we have to check every arguments whether it is none or not. If it is none, then we can leave it. If it is not none, we have to sum up the value. Okay, if it is not none, then we have to say result equals to result plus x. Similarly, we have to put rest two more condition. Let's say we have to say z. If z is not none, then we can return this result from this function. Okay, we will get the sum of these values. It is version r1, our sum version 1. Then we have to pass x values, let's say 2, 4 and 5. The sum of these values are 11. Okay, it will work because we have passed all three parameters value here. Will it work? Let's run the program. Okay, so it is printed. We have added two values here. If you want to add n number of parameters here in this method, you can do. Okay, so let's say q equals to none. So you have to put one more condition. It will add. If you want to pass on, let's say 4 parameter, then it will work. You see 17. The total is 17. This is the option 1. We have other option as well to achieve method overloading. We have option 2. We want to provide n number of arguments in the same method. Let's say some argument we can use. It will take more argument. Okay, result, and then we have to apply 4i in this argument, and then we have to put result equals to result plus I. Okay, so we have written the result here, and then we are going to call our version 2 method. Alright, and we'll be passing n number of argument. Right? Option 1, it will of course work. Let's run the program. Second option, it is very optimized, it is very easy. Okay, so here we can pass on n number of arguments. So passing the same argument, it will give us the same output. Okay, 17 and 17. So this is called method overloading in Python. It is not supported by Python, but we have alternatives to overcome the problem. Okay.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.